learners. Today we are doing precipitation of lead as lead iodide, or commonly known as golden rain reaction. Here we have lead nitrate and potassium iodide, and the solution must be dissolved in hot water. Okay, we have half gram of each of them. And it's still important, the water must be hot. It's too hot. Okay, we must add drops of acetic acid to lead nitrate to prevent the hydrolysis, which will show the reaction later. Drops. So both of the solution must be dissolved. I mean both solutes. It's not dissolved now. Okay. Okay, now we put them together in one. And as you can see, it's just like it's raining gold. One of the most amazing reactions in chemistry. And here we are. This experiment is about to finish. Wish you enjoyed the experiment. Thank you for watching.